Hey there, it's Sarah. Today, we're going to uncover the signals many men often miss that indicate a woman's hidden romantic interest. By the end of this video, you'll have a keen eye for these telltale signs, giving you a clearer understanding of her feelings. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video, which ties all these points together beautifully. It's a crucial piece of advice for effectively responding to these signs, enhancing your understanding and approach. Stay tuned for it. Ready to become more attuned to what she's really communicating? Let's dive in and discover these signs together. 1. Meaningful looks. One of the most telling signs that a younger woman is secretly interested in you is the way she looks at you. But these aren't just any glances. These are meaningful looks filled with admiration and desire. When she gazes at you, there's a depth in her eyes that goes beyond a casual glance. It's as if she's trying to tell you something without saying a word. These looks can be fleeting, yet powerful, leaving you wondering if there's more behind that seemingly innocent stare. Imagine you're in a crowded room, and every time you catch her eye, there's an unmistakable connection. Her eyes might linger on you a bit longer than necessary, or you might find her stealing glances when she thinks you're not looking. This isn't about making eye contact in passing. It's about those moments when her eyes seem to speak volumes about her feelings. However, context is crucial. Is she looking at you this way while you're engaged in a conversation? Or perhaps when you're sharing a laugh or a quiet moment together? The setting can amplify the intensity of her gaze, making it clear that her interest is more than just platonic. Body language plays a significant role too. Notice if her body is oriented towards you, even in a group setting. Are her feet pointing in your direction? Is she leaning in slightly when she talks to you? These nonverbal cues, combined with her meaningful looks, create a powerful signal that she's drawn to you. 2. Frequent touches. Another unmistakable sign that a younger woman is secretly interested in you is through her frequent touches. These aren't just accidental brushes. They are deliberate and meaningful, often designed to communicate her feelings without saying a word. Imagine you're having a conversation, and she casually puts her hand on your arm to emphasize a point. Or perhaps you're sharing a joke, and she playfully nudges your shoulder. These touches might seem small, but they carry a significant weight. They are her way of creating a physical connection, subtly indicating that she feels comfortable and drawn to you. Touch is one of the most powerful forms of nonverbal communication. It can convey warmth, affection, and interest far more effectively than words ever could. When a woman frequently initiates physical contact, it's her way of breaking down barriers and inviting you into her personal space. This gesture shows trust and a desire to be closer to you, both physically and emotionally. Casual touches, such as a light tap on the arm or a playful shove, can be strong indicators of her interest. They often occur in moments of shared laughter or mutual enjoyment, reinforcing the bond between you. These touches are her way of flirting, sending a clear message that she's comfortable with you and wants to establish a closer connection. 3. Playful teasing. Playful teasing is another classic sign that a younger woman may be secretly interested in you. When she teases you, it's her way of flirting and testing the waters to gauge your reaction. Teasing creates a playful and lighthearted dynamic, allowing her to express her interest without being too direct. Think about the times she's made a witty remark about something you did or playfully mocked one of your quirks. These moments of playful banter are not meant to offend, but to build rapport and establish a fun connection. When she teases you, she's watching closely to see how you respond. A positive and playful reaction from you can encourage her to continue, reinforcing the bond and increasing her comfort level around you. It's important to distinguish between positive teasing and mean-spirited teasing. Positive teasing is lighthearted and fun, designed to make both of you laugh and enjoy the moment. It shows that she's comfortable with you and wants to engage in a playful exchange. For example, if she jokes about your love for a particular hobby or makes a funny comment about your fashion choices, it's her way of showing affection and interest. Mean-spirited teasing, on the other hand, can be hurtful and degrading. It often involves harsh or critical comments that make you feel uncomfortable or belittled. This type of teasing is not a sign of interest and should not be confused with playful flirting. If her teasing makes you feel bad about yourself, it's important to recognize that this behavior is not indicative of genuine attraction. 4. Always around. One of the clearest signs that a younger woman is secretly interested in you is her consistent presence in your life. If she's always around, either physically or virtually through frequent texts, it's a strong indication that she wants to be close to you. This isn't just about being friends. It's about her making a conscious effort to spend as much time with you as possible. Picture this. You're at a social gathering, and she always seems to be near you, finding ways to engage in conversation or simply share the same space. She might not always be talking directly to you, but her presence is a clear signal. Even in group settings, her focus tends to drift towards you, and she makes an effort to be part of your activities and conversations. Her interest isn't limited to in-person interactions. If she's frequently texting you, checking in on how your day is going, or sending you memes and jokes, it shows she's thinking about you even when you're not together. These digital touches keep the connection alive and demonstrate her desire to maintain regular contact. Being around someone consistently takes effort and intention. It's a way of saying, "I enjoy your company and want to be near you," without having to spell it out. This kind of behavior shows that she values your presence and is interested in getting to know you better. If today's insights resonate with you, remember to like and comment. More importantly, if you're ready to revolutionize your dating approach, take advantage of our free 60-minute strategy call. It's your gateway to meeting more women and enhancing your confidence. Book yours now through the pinned comment. 5. Dressing sexier. Another significant sign that a younger woman is secretly interested in you is the way she dresses when she's around you. If she consistently puts more effort into her appearance, choosing outfits that are more attractive or eye-catching, it's likely she's trying to get your attention. This might be an unconscious effort on her part, but it speaks volumes about her desire to impress you. Imagine this scenario. You're used to seeing her in casual attire, but suddenly, when she knows she'll be seeing you, she's dressing up more. Perhaps she's wearing clothes that accentuate her best features, applying a bit more makeup, or even trying out new hairstyles. These changes aren't just about looking good. They're about catching your eye and making a lasting impression. The subtleties in her appearance can be quite telling. She might opt for colors that she knows you like, wear a particular perfume, or choose accessories that add a touch of elegance to her look. Pay attention to these details, as they can reveal her intention to stand out in your eyes. Even small changes, like freshly manicured nails or a new piece of jewelry, are signs that she's putting thought into how she presents herself when she's around you. It's important to note that this isn't about her dressing provocatively. It's about her taking extra care to look her best. She wants to feel confident and attractive, and she wants you to notice. These efforts indicate that your opinion matters to her and that she's keen on making a positive impression. 6. Instant replies to messages. One of the more subtle yet telling signs that a younger woman is secretly interested in you is how quickly she responds to your messages. In the age of constant connectivity, the speed of her replies can reveal a lot about her feelings. If she's consistently responding almost instantly, it's a clear indication that she prioritizes communicating with you and isn't playing hard to get. Imagine you send her a message, and within seconds, you see those delightful typing bubbles pop up. This quick response isn't just about her being polite. It's about her eagerness to keep the conversation going. Whether it's a simple, "How was your day?" or a funny meme, her prompt replies show that you're on her mind and she values your interaction. This behavior can be a strong signal of interest. In a world where people often delay responses to seem aloof or busy, her immediate replies stand out. It means she's genuinely interested in what you have to say and is excited to engage with you. She's not playing the typical dating games. She's showing you that you matter. Here's the bonus tip that ties all these points together. Respond with genuine interest and confidence. Recognizing these subtle signs is crucial, but knowing how to respond to them is equally important. Collectively, these signs, meaningful looks, frequent touches, playful teasing, being constantly around you, dressing sexier, and instant replies, paint a picture of her hidden interest. When you notice these signs, start by being attentive. Show that you've noticed her efforts by making eye contact and smiling when she gives you meaningful looks. This reinforces the connection and lets her know you're paying attention. If she's frequently touching you, respond with gentle touches of your own. A light touch on her arm or shoulder can signal that you're comfortable with her and appreciate her closeness. Engage in the playful teasing she initiates. Tease her back in a fun and flirty way, showing that you're enjoying the interaction and are interested in her. When she's constantly around you, acknowledge her presence by engaging her in conversation or inviting her to join activities. This demonstrates that you enjoy her company and value her efforts to be around you. So now you know the signs a younger woman displays when she secretly likes you. What's next for you? Discover 9 signs she definitely wants to sleep with you. Or learn 8 easy ways for older men to flirt with younger women. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.